Welcome engineers. Today I'll demonstrate the angle of twist interactive calculator, a tool that solves torsional deformation problems in shafts under applied torque. This calculator determines how much a shaft will twist when subjected to torsional loading, which is critical for designing power transmission components, drive shafts, and rotating machinery, where excessive twist can cause failure or misalignment. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have the calculation mode drop-down with 6 options: calculate angle of twist, calculate required torque, calculate shear modulus, calculate polar moment, calculate maximum length, and calculate minimum diameter. For this demonstration, I'll select calculate angle of twist. Next, we enter the applied torque in Newton meters, the shaft length in meters, the shear modulus in gigapascals, and the shaft diameter in millimeters. The calculator also shows the polar moment field in meters to the 4th power and the angle of twist output in degrees. There's also a max allowable twist field in degrees for design constraints. Let's work through an example. I'm analyzing a steel drive shaft with applied torque of 500 Newton meters, shaft length of 2 meters, shear modulus of 80 gigapascals for steel, and shaft diameter of 50 millimeters. After clicking calculate, the results show an angle of twist of approximately 1.27 degrees. This output tells us the total angular deformation between the shaft ends. Engineers use this to ensure the twist stays within acceptable limits for proper equipment function and to prevent material yielding. A critical insight: always verify your unit conversions, especially with the shear modulus in gigapascals and diameter in millimeters. Find the link in the description below.